Children, today I will discuss the new topic of the chapter planning in sports. Today topic is the meaning and objective of planning. So first of all, I am going to start. The first topic of the chapter is meaning of planning. Okay, what is the topic? Meaning of planning means what do you mean by the planning? Okay, planning is a process of putting thoughts together and organizing activities required to achieve a desired goal. Planning comprises the process of setting goals. What is the planning? Planning comprises the process of setting goals, developing strategies, and outlining tasks and schedules to get success. In other words, planning is deciding in advance. What is the planning? Planning is deciding in advance as to what is to be performed. It is very important in planning. What is to be performed and when, where, how, and by whom. It is to be performed. Okay, planning is the deciding in advance as to what is to be performed and when, where, how, and by whom it is to be performed. In fact, planning is the process which helps us in reaching our goal efficiently and smoothly. A very nice quotation given by Allen. A plan, please listen, a plan is a trap laid to capture the future. What is the quotation of Allen? A plan is a trap laid to capture the future. That plan covered the all types of the requirement in advance is a planning. Okay, So I am going to start the other topic of the day is objectives of planning. What is my question? The question is objectives of planning. Objective of planning in sports is a way to systemize, direct, and organize the events or competitions and extract the advantages and benefit of the available resources. A plan helps in making the proper coordination to increase the efficiency. Please listen. A proper planning helps in making the proper coordination to increase the efficiency of sports officials. Officials are very important to smooth conduct of any sports event. In conducting sports event, competitions in one of the main objective of planning. There are various objective of planning. I will discuss one by one. The first objective of the planning is to reduce, first heading, to reduce unnecessary pressure of immediacy. Okay, what is the first heading or first objective? The first objective of the planning is to reduce unnecessary pressure of immediacy. How? When tournaments or competitions are conducted or organized without proper planning, please listen it. When tournaments or competitions are conducted or organized without proper planning, there will be immense pressure to achieve certain results immediately. Okay? In such a hurry or immediacy, the job cannot be performed efficiently and smoothly. When you will not plan properly, we cannot organize any sports competition safely and smoothly. So reducing unnecessary pressure of the immediacy is an important objective of planning. If the organizers prepare a good plan beforehand, there will not be any unnecessary pressure. So, perfect planning will naturally negate unnecessary pressure. Okay? The other objective of the planning is to maintain a good control over all the activities. What is the next objective? Next objective is to maintain a good control over all the activities. To maintain a good control over all activities, another objective of the planning is very important. If in any tournament or competitions, when organizer will not make a perfect plan, cannot control all activities smoothly to conduct safely. So, planning helps in holding a good control in organizing a sports tournament or sports competition to get success. So this objective is very important to maintain a good control over all the activities. The next objective of the planning is to facilitate proper coordination. This objective is very important, to facilitate proper coordination. This objective of planning is related to facilitate proper coordination. Please pay attention. This objective of planning is related to facilitate proper coordination among various members of the different sports committee which are formed for organizing the sports competition smoothly. The role of the sports committee is very important to get success without getting any problem or without facing any difficulty to get success. So the proper coordination between all sports committees and committees members are very important. Without proper coordination among the officials of the tournament, who are the officials? Officials, those people help to conduct any sports competition or any organization, function. Volunteers, you can tell volunteers. It will not be easy to conduct or organize a sports tournament. Okay, so a proper planning helps in ensuring proper coordination between all the members of the sports committee or the all members of the sports events. The next objective of the planning is to reduce the chances of mistakes. To reduce the chances of mistakes. To reduce the chances of mistakes is also a significant objective of planning. A proper plan reduces the chances of mistakes and oversight. To reduce the chances of mistakes is also a significant objective of planning. A proper plan reduces the chances of mistakes and oversight. Although mistakes and oversight is any field cannot be avoided completely, but they can be reduced up to some extent through proper planning. So, the number of mistakes in organizing in any sports competitions will not leave a good impression on the participants as well as spectators. So, to reduce the chances of mistakes in any sports events, any sports competitions or any sports tournament, proper planning is very important. The next objective of the planning is to increase efficiency. To increase efficiency. increase the efficiency of sports officials. Officials are very important to conduct smooth sports events competitions. So, to increase the efficiency of sports officials in conducting sports events is one of the main objectives of the planning. With the help of proper planning, the sports officials become more efficient. With the help of proper planning, the sports officials become more efficient. They perform their duties efficiently and effectively. It is one of the important aim of the planning to increase the capability and efficiency of officials. Okay? So next objective of the planning is enhance creativity. To enhance creativity. To enhance creativity is another significant objective of the planning to get success. In organizing any type of the sports competition, it may be at the school level, district level, state level, or the national level. As a matter of fact, a proper planning increases creativity among officials. A proper planning increases creativity among officials, coaches, and physical education teachers. In fact, planning helps in innovative and creative thinking among the sports officials because many new ideas are brought to the table by officials when they make a plan. So, before organizing any sports competitions or tournament, proper planning should be done in advance. Next objective is to enhance the sports performance. To enhance sports performance, the another objective of the planning is to enhance the sports performance of athletes or the player. Without proper planning, it is impossible to improve the performance of a sports person. So, for improvement of the sports performance and for the improvement of the interest in the spectators, when you will get chance in future to organize any sports competition, proper planning is very important. For example, a well-planned training in the field of sports is essential to enhance the sports performance. Some other objective like it helps in decision making. Planning helps in decision making. Proper planning is very important to make the correct decision at the time of the events. Example, when you will not appoint the officials, when you will not appoint the judge, when you will not mark the marking of the grounds, flag, clapper, pitch is very important to get success and make the correct decision. So proper planning is more beneficial at the time of the decision making. Planning provides new facility to meet demands. Proper planning provides new facility to meet demand. Planning is directing the sports organization based on the past analysis, purpose, evaluation of the present situation and expecting future. So through the proper planning, decision of purpose, strategies, programs, and plan the entire activity of the sports organization is covered, and it provides the new facility to meet the great demand when you will organize a good sports competition in your life. So proper planning is the base of smooth conduct of any sports competition at the any level. It may be different types, because next topic we will meet here the types of the sports competitions, etc. Okay, that's all. Thank you.